Well, you actually clicked on this video. You're one of the few, I suppose, as we just now start this. But best AI thumbnails, okay? That's what we're going over today. We're going to be talking about how to make the best AI thumbnails. The thumbnail of this video was made by AI. I'm actually generating it as I'm making this. So, yeah, one of the thumbnails that I generate is going to be... Look, okay, check this out. Best AI thumbnails. I want to parenthesize here. This channel is going to be about maximizing how you can shorten your work time to maximizing financially, how to put yourself in a hot spot, okay? Now, a lot of you people probably do YouTube, and you have hired thumbnail makers, and you have paid them hundreds of dollars a month to do thumbnails. No, we don't want to do that, okay? We don't want to do that. So, what we're going to do here is talk about some things. So, first off, you have the obvious AI that a lot of people use, and that is ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT. This is awful. Do not use ChatGPT, okay? I'm going to tell you guys that now. ChatGPT is just not the AI to use for pretty much anything at the current moment. At the time of this video, I don't recommend ChatGPT for literally anything. What I recommend is the good one, okay? That is Gemini, okay? Gemini is the good one, okay? This gets a check mark of approval. Gemini is great, okay, for all your AI needs. What comes with Gemini? Nano Banana, okay? Nano Banana is the best on the market right now, okay? Nano Banana is going to take your thumbnails to the next level, but there's ways to optimize this even more and make it better, and that is called, right here, Higgsfield. Okay, Higgsfield is the key. Now, there might be an affiliate link in the description. You can sign up through my code and help a channel like my dude. People are probably like, what is this channel? Who is this guy? Is it AI too? I can assure you guys, I'm not AI. Okay, my doodles are not AI. How do you differentiate yourself in a world full of AI? You doodle awfully. Okay. That's how you show you're authentic and real. You doodle like this, okay? AI would probably struggle to copy this to some degree. But Higgsfield AI is awesome, okay? This thing is one of the best things right now, all right? And this is how I pretty much workflow all of my thumbnails now, or I'm going to going forward as well. And this method kind of just got unlocked recently. Higgsfield has a lot, I think there's an S in it. Higgsfield has a lot of awesome stuff. Now, ChatGPT is obviously a no. Most AI out there right now is still in a state of almost where it needs to be, okay? We're almost here, okay? Here's the little bar, you know, it's slowly going up. AI is slowly going up, and hopefully it never hits this little plateau here because we don't want that. We want it to just steadily go up, and we're going to see just things get better and better, right? Now, obviously, thumbnail artists are going to cost, and this is a way to just automate it for yourself and save yourself some money and essentially have free AI. So if we go to Higgsfield right here, boom, I am still generating 3. Oh, that one just generated now. How perfect is that? So what I have done is kind of gave it some prompts, and this is the channel art as well. So I have been working on that. YouTube thumbnail for the channel Rough Draft Finance. Keep the text minimum and aim for a whiteboard doodle style for the video. Free AI generated. This is the name of the video you guys are literally watching right now. Here is the doodle that I have here. Which is, I'm probably going to go with this one, or if these two ever load, then we might be able to differentiate. So, you got the sauce now, okay? You got the sauce, all right? This is the sauce right here. You already got the sauce. You could sprinkle that all over your pepperoni pizza, okay? You can sprinkle it all over your pepperoni pizza. Just like sauce it up, and now you have a free formula. Now, I should note, Higgsfield does cost a little bit, but it's so much cheaper than, like, okay, so let me go to Higgsfield, for example, show you. You get all these image tools at your disposal, unlimited and free if you do sign up. So it's kind of a win. I'm not gonna lie, dude, it's kind of a win. I'm not even affiliated with Higgsfield, so I don't know. I think I can get an affiliate link. I haven't even looked into that before I upload this video. I guess if so, it'll be in the description or something. But yeah, you also got video. Did I mention infinite video? So you could literally generate a thumbnail and turn it into a video if you want to do that. But yeah, your imagination is pretty much endless, okay? It's endless, the imagination that you're gonna have. If you're new to the channel, welcome. All right, just check it out sometimes, because we're gonna have rough drafts of finance, how to pretty much negate any type of struggle And hopefully there's pieces of gold in these videos that you can somehow leave with, even if it's just looking at my awful pizza drawings. I don't know, dude. It's not AI. It's real.